Imagine a world where software developers and IT operations folks are best friends, working hand in hand to deliver top-notch software. That's DevOps in a nutshell. It's a way of doing things that brings developers and operations together to increase the speed and reliability of software delivery while keeping quality and security at the forefront. Gone are the days of software development and IT operations being separate entities with no collaboration. As software becomes more complex and critical, DevOps steps in to bridge the gap. It tears down the walls between development and operations and replaces them with a culture of collaboration, communication, and continuous improvement. DevOps is like the secret sauce for software delivery. With its use of tools such as automation, continuous integration and delivery, and infrastructure as code, DevOps allows organizations to deliver software faster and more reliably. This means you can get your hands on the latest and greatest features sooner. And with the implementation of continuous testing and deployment, quality and security are improved too. No more worrying about production-level problems. But DevOps isn't just about technical tools and processes. It's also about continuously improving and learning. It encourages teams to review and optimize their processes and tools to find new and better ways to do things. DevOps is all about evolution and growth. In conclusion, DevOps is the glue that holds software development and IT operations together. It's the key to delivering software faster, more reliably, and more securely. So, if you're in the tech industry, it's time to hop on the DevOps bandwagon. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to subscribe for more tech-tastic content like this.